Hi folks, I had a problem with my Corvette's rear hatch not opening with the switch that is below is by the license plate, and it would intermittently work or not work at all. So I had to use either the remote or the switch inside the cab to release the hatch. I was looking at videos on YouTube, and a good fella by the name of Mark Anthony Storm, that's Mark with the C, had posted a video of having issues with the switch that would intermittently contact internally and open the hatch, like going through a bump or just out of nowhere. But my problem was totally different. It wasn't working right. It wasn't opening. So he suggested to remove the switch and clean the contacts and see if it will help or not. So I did that, but in the process of removing the switch, I broke the two tabs. I don't know if it was my fault. So it has one tab here and one here that locks it in the position. Either they were dried out or I did something wrong, they broke. They look like, let me see, these tabs here. One on this side and one on that side. So when I removed the switch, there's a plunger that sits inside and pushes this contact to the two connectors inside the switch, and it's held in by place by a rubber boot that's in one piece inside. Let me see if I can show it to you. See, those are the two contacts, and if you look, you can see part of the rubber boot that holds this piece in place. So I don't know, I didn't see any corrosion or dirt because dirt cannot get in there. It's sealed. So I thought maybe it's just a faulty switch. So I ordered a new one. I had to order a new one because the tabs on this one broke. So I'm going to install it and I'll show you how I did it based on Mark Anthony's recommendations. So what you need is a T15 Torx to remove the right inner tail light. They recommend to remove the lens and disconnect the light. We'll set them right here for now. And let the light hang out. But I decided to leave it alone because I didn't want dirt get inside or my fingerprints or break any tabs or whatever, so I'm just gonna leave it hanging. And you reach inside and you get the connector disconnected. So I'm gonna try to bring it out. So you see it has a tab that the switch connects to it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the switch back in here and connect the connector, and we'll see how it works. Get the switch. Here's the switch. But I noticed that this outer boot is much softer and more flexible than the one I removed from the car. So okay, now I'm gonna put the connector and try the new switch. Let me put this down for a second. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, I got the switch in. Let's try the hatch now. Nope. I have the same problem. So there may be a bad connection on the relay, which is back here somewhere. So I have to check into that. Let's try the remote. Yep, the remote works. Try the switch again. Oh, it worked. Oh, it's working now. Well, I'll keep trying and see what happens. Maybe the electronic system had to recognize the circuit again, or re-energize it for some reason. Well, okay folks, that's about it.